Domino's, you can get more than just amazing, delicious pizza. There's also lava cakes, bread bites, and more.
Yes.
With the Smith's Rewards card, save up to $1 a gallon at the pump for the win.
That is hands down the loudest commercial I've ever heard. Alright, we're gonna try this one, Can't Say No by JJD. Alright, we're going to do a little distance test on the SFX8, and we're going to have Kevin walk that way with the camera, obviously, so you can hear how it sounds from a distance through a YouTube video, so as good as we can. So go ahead and head that way. Alright, now we're going to hook up the 6.5. Come here, let me show you the best way to hook these speakers up. Are you ready? It's like this. we couldn't find any spade connectors, so I used to do this when I was young, when I first got my license, my first vehicle. This is how I hooked my speakers up. No cap. Alright, let's unhook these real quick. We'll hook the 6.5 up. The good thing about hooking it up like that is it's super easy to swap out the speaker. Let me show you how this professional hooks these speakers up. Well, the speaker wire is a little wide, so we might, I don't know if it'll fit through here. If it doesn't, oh, we got lucky. Okay. Alright, let's fold that over. That is a great connection right there. And now we'll do the same thing with the positive. Oh, this is a good lesson as well. When you're hooking speakers up, trying to make sure it's not touching. Alright, when you're hooking speakers up, and say you do have your spade connectors or whatever, but you have like little stray wires like this, or if for whatever reason you take what I just said seriously about hooking your speakers up like this, don't do this. But if you do, make sure these little frays aren't touching the metal basket, because that's going to dead short your amp, and it's not going to be good. You can blow your amp doing that. So anyway, since we're testing these speakers, I'm going to make sure they're not touching that, and let's hit that play button and get it going again. Let me turn it down a little bit. Okay. Start this one. Alright, so that is the SFX65 on almost 3 times the power that is rated at RMS wise. When I really started jamming on, I could start to smell it a little bit, but again, that's 3 times the RMS power on the JP234 amplifier. If you were going to run 8 of these, you could run them, it would still be kind of hot on the JP234. The best match for this model, since it's 100 watts RMS, I would recommend the JP84. I'm thinking about blowing the speaker up, like just playing the crap out of it until it quits. Do y'all think we should do it? We're gonna do it. Let's blow this thing up. So this will also show you, if you don't tune your amplifiers properly, how fast you can mess the speaker up if it's not tuned properly and you have a little bit too much power. Oh, turn it down. And just like that, that's how fast you can destroy a speaker for not knowing what you're doing, not having it tuned right, and too much power. So in less than, I think it was 15 seconds, you can destroy a speaker that fast. So make sure you tune your stuff right, make sure you're not overpowering it. The combination of not having it tuned right and overpowering it is the deadliest combination you can ever have. And you just witnessed exactly what happens when you do that. And we'll show you what it looks like on the inside real quick. I'll cut this open so you can see what it looks like on the inside when you blow a voice coil. So if you try to send these back and the voice coil looks like this, alright, we're gonna cut this open. So we're cutting through the, man, this razor blade is like the dullest thing I've ever used in my life. So anyway, we'll cut this open and then we'll be able to see the spider down here. Now we'll cut the spider out. And no, we don't sell recons for this. See how the wire that was on the voice coil is totally stuck down. So that's what happens. Subwoofers, mids, it just blew the wire here. You can actually see. Now you can see how it's all blown apart right there. I don't know if you can focus on that. Anyway, that's what happens when you blow a voice coil that fast. And that's all it takes for any speaker. Obviously, if it was a little bit bigger speaker, more powerful, more power handling speaker, it would have lasted a little bit longer, but that just shows you the severity of how fast something can go wrong with not having it tuned right and having a lot of power on it. Again, that's 3 times. Ooh, that thing smells funky. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.